today I'm going to teach you how to paste multiple choice answers in Google Forms and Google Quizzes all at once. This is a fantastic time-saving technique that allows you to add several answer options simultaneously instead of typing them one by one, which can really speed up your form creation process. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts for different purposes. After signing in, you'll see your Google Forms dashboard. Look for the option that says blank form and click on it. This will create a new empty form where you can start building your quiz or survey from scratch. Now, you'll notice that Google Forms automatically adds an untitled question to get you started. Next to this question, there's a drop-down menu that currently shows the question type. Click on this drop-down menu beside Untitled Question, and from the list of options that appears, select Multiple Choice. This sets up your question to accept multiple answer choices where respondents can select one option. With your question type set, navigate to the field that says Untitled Question at the top. Click on it and type in your actual question. For example, you might type something like, "Which subject do you enjoy the most at school?" This gives your respondents clear context about what you're asking them. Here's where the magic happens and where this technique really shines. Before moving to the next step, you need to prepare your answer choices, open a text editor, document, or even a notes app, and type out all your answer choices. Make sure each choice is on a separate line. For our school subject example, you might list math, science, English, history, and art, each on its own line. Once you have all your choices listed, select them all and copy them. Now, navigate back to your Google form and find where it says Option 1. Click directly into that field and paste the choices you just copied. Google Forms will automatically detect that you've pasted multiple lines of text and will intelligently separate each line into its own individual answer option. This means you won't have to manually click Add Option and type each answer separately, which saves you considerable time, especially when dealing with forms that have many questions or lengthy option lists. And there you have it. You've successfully added multiple choice answers to your Google form all at once using the paste method. This simple technique can dramatically reduce the time it takes to create comprehensive forms and quizzes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.